Yes. So I'll make it half. This is the moment of truth. And this is the moment to taste it. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. We make a sweet potato cake. Okay, that's it. We make sweet potato cake. That's it. I have to put in the steam. That is the water. And then if it's boiling, I will put the sweet potato. We add potato. We make steam also potato. That's it. See? On top. And then cover the lid. Okay? Yeah, it's cooked already. I have to start. We have to mash the sweet potato like this. Okay. Coconut milk. One cup of flour. 1 cup of fresh milk. 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. A pinch of salt. And 20 grams of butter. We have to mix it. I did not add eggs. Enough this. I use the strainer to become soft and refine the sweet potato. Okay, like this. Make it soft, the sweet potato cake. See? Look at that. Now I have to set aside this, okay? Now we have to start this. We will wait until it's boiling. And then when it's boiling, procedure. We put the milk. You have to mash the potato. We put the flour. Vanilla extract. Add butter. Use the strainer again. Okay already, see? It's okay already. So I have to cook the potato. Sweet potato and potato cake. That's it. If it's boiling, it's ready already. We put a pinch of salt. So now it's okay. We have to put another flavor. This is the tomato potato. That's it. Okay, we have to open it. We have to open it. Ui. Ui. See? Lovely. Look at that. See? Beautiful color. Yes. 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 Look at this. Is it okay? Yes. Okay. I put it. The half is for me and the half is for my hubby. Yes. That's it. The two. And then we put the toppings. So that's it. That's it. Okay. We have to taste it. Yummy. Better I will put it here. That's it. Ooh. Okay. This is and then you have to pour on the top this like what I do here. The